What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. So, I don't even know where to start. Okay. A quick explanation, right? So today's Wednesday. I had recorded because with this what this video is gonna be about, as you can tell by the title, is gonna be like the business, which is Raul. If you go to my Instagram or my YouTube channel, wherever you go, you're gonna see RaulVillalobos.net. This is this website right here. This is this website right here. And so basically, as you can see, I'm trying to build like a little, a little side hustle or whatever. Cause I do work at Amazon, but I don't see myself being there for too long. Actually, I do see myself being there for long because there's something that I do want to do is IT, which is what I like to do, is like stuff with technology and stuff like that. But this is like something that I really like doing, is coding. And so, I have this little website, and I was gonna start off with this so basically right here, this business plan right here. Wait, I think I have my face cam too big. You guys can see it. So I was gonna do a website builder. Mind you, I had explained everything already. It's a Wednesday. My off days are Monday through no. Today's Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday I had already recorded one video per day, so I had 3 videos. What I didn't know though, we're coming back to this app right here, OBS Studio. You can I'm recording, right? Well, when I'm done recording, it exports the video automatically. But I didn't check the settings, so it was a different file type. It's a .mkv file type, which doesn't play on Mac, but there's online video converters. But I have whack internet. And like almost everybody in the house has their damn phone or laptop connected, and they're either streaming, FaceTiming somebody, so it's like hardcore. They like, people in this house aren't like just on Instagram. They're hardcore watching a video, live streaming, watching a live stream or something like that. So the internet's being used heavily. So in order for me to, because it was like a 40-minute video that I had recorded, but so I'm editing the first one. So the first one was like a longer one because I was explaining everything like right here. But it's gonna be a little different because of actual content. After the explanation, there was like, I don't know, like half an hour. Today, since the day is like cutting off pretty short because of this situation right here that I'm trying to fix, I'm gonna do like 15 minutes. So yeah, I don't know. Today's Thursday. This was supposed to be the video for today, but I think it will be up. I'm just gonna keep it real short for today, just because of the situation. But later on, I have plenty of days. I have 7 days a week to record, so I can do more. Okay. So basically, with this website, I don't know what I explained. I don't remember every single little thing that I explained. I just do know what I said was pretty important, or I don't even know. To be honest, I don't know what I said. But anyways, you go here, and then I'm gonna learn, right? So let's start from the bottom. Start way at the bottom. Right? So that's the business, is to build websites. In simple, build a website. I want to build websites. There's website builders already, but I don't know how much. I think they're like $14 a month. I'm gonna charge like 20-ish a month, but I'm gonna maintain them and I'm gonna make them custom. Like, I'm gonna make them. I'm learning how to make them. Here's Free Code Camp, and I'm learning how to make them with You know, there's JavaScript, there's all this back end kind of stuff. Oh no, front end, back end, APIs. But there's some back end stuff right here that I'm gonna learn. I'm just gonna go through. I've already accomplished some stuff here. I didn't do this whole thing in those 3 videos. Monday I started. Excuse me. Monday I started around right here, I think. Somewhere like right here. So I did like, I don't know, I'd say like probably like 20 lessons. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this one today. Before I go though, before I start, so a little history. Let's see. So I started coding, right? It's been a while. It's been like 2 years. What else? It's been like 2 years, on and off. I don't even know where to. On and off. I think I talked about this on Sunday. 2 years on and off. For like the first 6 months, and then like after the first 6 months, I was doing it daily. But I started off with low time, like 5 minutes a day or something like that. I don't even know. I don't have like the best memory ever, but so the next step is to get rid of this whole thing right here. And so I'm checking over here on my internet, see how the video's going, from converting from an MKV to MOV, and it canceled because the file's big. It's like 1 point something gigabytes. So obviously, I don't know, I think it's lost. So I'm just gonna record this and edit this. I think it restarted. Okay, if I could connect to the Ethernet, I would. Somehow, I don't know, but it's not a big deal. All it was in this other 3 videos was obviously the explanation, which is I don't know what I said, so I don't know like what to repeat again and what to not repeat. But yeah, I'm just thinking about like how. Okay, so Raul Villalobos, that'd be like the company or whatever you want to call it. It's not really a company because I don't have a I don't have an Instagram for it. Like it's just me, and it's just me building websites. Like it's not an LLC. Like it's not a Inc. Like an incorporate. Like it's not nothing fancy like that. Just me. I was working on PayPal. On PayPal, you can make like for your website. You can make like little. Let me see if I can show you guys the code. Can I show you guys the code? So this is the code for this for the current, for what's on right now. All that's gonna get scratched off. All this is gonna get just thrown in the bin. It was cool because I had like the versions. You guys can go on it while it's there. The version, they're still gonna be uploaded on GitHub. I'm just not gonna have them linked because this was more of a portfolio. As you can see, it's like email me, stuff like that. This is to be a portfolio, but it's not gonna be a portfolio no more. It's gonna be like an actual business. So, because of PayPal, like I can incorporate on PayPal. I can add some code, and I can make an actual button, a shopping cart, which I won't be dealing with because obviously I'm not a bank. Your money would not be secure here. Even if I had a server and all of that, I'm like you're way better off at like PayPal, like an actual bank, right? They have like people, they hire people and stuff just for cybersecurity. So you're way better off with them. I would like to learn that though, obviously like later on, but for right now, no. And this is gonna be the new website. It's gonna be the new one right here. It's gonna be, I don't know why I pressed it twice. Why did I press it twice? It never works, bro. It always opens up a little page and then I don't end up using it. But anyways, let's just make it kind of big. Let's see. Let's get rid of that. Come on, son. Let's make it a. Let's get like a 76. Alright. This was. So it's super basic. I took the inspiration from medium.com. It's a blogging site. I'll show you guys right now. It's literally like, it's not a full-on copy, but it's like really close, bro. Hopefully they don't copyright me, bro, because I think if I was a big company, they probably would copyright me, but like it's really close. Like, look at that, and then look at mine. Where is it? It's right here. Like, it's really right. It's like the exact same color, or I think it's. This, don't mind this right here. This isn't part of it. This is just to measure, because this isn't a website builder, right? Website builders are like Squarespace, Wix. What's another one? It's Wix, Squarespace. I really like Squarespace. There's Duda, there's WordPress, stuff like that. But this is just to measure so everything can be together. This is just like kind of like an interactive kind of Photoshop thing. This was made specifically for UIs, for web, for like, go see on this other page, Untitled. Usually it always opens it, but it doesn't let you like actually use it. So I can't show you guys like the pre-templates, but there's like templates, you know. You know how when you open a Word document on Microsoft Word, there's like templates? Well, there's templates here too. Let's see if I can open one right now. But it's like UI kits, and you can get deep. You can do like iOS. I don't know about this yet, but this is more like into this, like Adobe. Like this. I'm not really too worried about that right now. I just leave this off the side. I'm more worried about learning and what the website's gonna look. So that's the website right now. So in order to actually code this, let me see, is my face cam still small? Okay, let's make it a little smaller. Okay, in order to code this, I already have it coded. So this is the code for it. It's really simple, right? You have the font, I have a custom font, and I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. Okay, here they are side by side. Pretty cool, right? So you got, it doesn't look exactly the same because, like I said, some of the fonts here, let me make it a little small. Let's make this kind of small too. Let's give it like a 26. No, it's too small. Let's give it like a 30, 36. Alright, so, you know, it's kind of small. I mean, it's not the same. Obviously, some changes that I need to make is like the green, right? For every page that you're on, I want it to be green. So I haven't added that yet. That's I think that's JavaScript. I don't know yet. I haven't gotten to that part. But like I said, I'm gonna be learning, and all this is free. So if you guys want to go to freecodecamp.org /learn, it's all free, and you can donate too because it's a free website. People maintain it. You can donate if you want to. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to that part eventually. Right now it's just basic CSS and HTML. I had already completed this pretty far, probably up to JavaScript ES6 or something like that, somewhere around there. Somewhere like, I think I completed all the basic, and I think it was somewhere like right here. But right now I can like say I had like 30 minutes. Like if I had a lot of time to code, I could probably do like in 30 minutes. I could probably do like I could check off like 10, right? But when it comes to this over here, I can only do like one a day. So I started Googling stuff. So that's why I restarted it. I was like, I don't want to really Google it. I could because you're always gonna have Google, and even like with as the future, you know, like technology is only getting better, not worse. So accessibility to all that kind of stuff is only getting better. So you can Google on anything. Like y'all know, y'all can Google anything. Like especially with, like don't tell me you don't Google your homework, bro. Cause right now with all this, with everything going on and stuff like that, and you have school at home and stuff like that, you can Google anything, bro. To be honest, you can find worksheets and stuff, PDFs and stuff like that. So that's that, right? So let's see. Before I get started, I want to get started already. So before I get started, I want to get started already. I would. Let's see. So that's the. Okay. So one of the goals. So the very first goal, I have my goals. I like a few, cause I don't like to write down every single goal, cause then that takes away the purpose of your mind free flowing. Like you don't want to be like, I don't want to be like other people who like to be a little more calculated. I don't. I like to be kind of calculated, but a lot of it is like, you know, what you feel and stuff, like what you're feeling that day or what you're feeling, you know. Like a quick example would be like, oh, Raul at 24 years old is gonna start a building website company. That would be premeditated. Like imagine somebody told me that like at 12 years old. Like that's kind of weird, right? But it's just something I felt. I wanted to do fashion back when I was like in high schools. Not high school. It's like a little bit after. But I wanted to do fashion, but then it changed, right? So it's like just natural. But anyways. What was I getting to? Okay, so my first was just create goal website canvas. Just a canvas, but don't actually release it. So obviously this is a canvas right here. And I don't have anything on it. It's just white. My plan is to maybe have. I don't know. I kind of don't want to have the nav bar. I want it to be see-through, kind of like other websites. I know we all look at Apple when it comes to design, but that's because they're one of the best. But Apple has it. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of see-through. You guys can kind of see. It's kind of blurry. Who else? Let's see, Tesla. And who else? Okay, so yeah, so see, there's a see-through. It moves, and then like it's see-through this whole little panel. Who else? Google doesn't. Let's see who else. Facebook. I'm not about to go on Facebook. Who else? Looks like a big YouTube. But y'all get the idea. Y'all get the idea. So that's pretty much it. So that's so okay. So I created the canvas. So I created the canvas. Next up is okay, so next up is just actually do a couple websites. Example, probably. So my guesstimate, because I don't know yet. I don't know. I haven't done it yet. Is if I was to release, wait, I'm not releasing the website. But if I was to, like, let's say I put it up. Let's say that I released it like this, right? Maybe added a couple words. No content yet, because like I said, I don't have any examples to show. My guesstimate is that probably somebody wouldn't buy it because I don't have anything to show them, like no example or anything like that. They're gonna be like, what am I? I'm kind of I think I'm gonna start it like at $19.99, $20 a month because I'm gonna maintain it. So the I don't know if I'm gonna have like different plan levels, like a premium or whatever. But I'm gonna start it at $20. I'm gonna maintain it. I'm gonna buy the hosting. I'm gonna buy the domain. I'm gonna buy what else do you gotta buy? I don't know. I haven't done it in a while. I've only done mine, and I think I've done like 2 or 3. What else? You gotta pay yearly. I'm gonna be paying all that. So basically, all the user has to pay. That's the cool thing about PayPal. You can make like a monthly subscription type of thing. And so I made it already for $19.99. All I have to do is add the code. So let's say I added the code, right? Like, let's say I just did it in words. Like right here, it'd be like I don't know, but marketing or whatever. Like just talk about the product or whatever, and then like add the prices like somewhere here or something like that. Right, like $20 and this and that. So in order to actually know, I'm gonna do examples. So I'm just gonna go anywhere on Instagram, TikTok, or anything like that, Twitter or whatever, and I'm gonna look for people. I'm gonna look for people that need a website. So it could be anybody, honestly. Like some of the most famous TikTokers is what I'm thinking of right now, or just in general. So let's see, who's somebody that I would make a website for. Basically, if I go, because you know how a lot of people have their links, their link tree or whatever. But if I see like a website that's not doing so, like it looks kind of weird, I can just hit him. I could DM him and I could be like, look, bro, or whoever it is, I could be like, look, your website is alright, and they just actually make the website, and then I could be like, look, I made you a website. What do you think about it? And if they like it, I don't know, like I said, it's not prematurely thought of. It's just like ideas and stuff like that. I could try it out, and if it doesn't work, I could try something else. I could either let them have it, cause that'd be dope. Imagine you made a website for like, let's say Justin Bieber. I wouldn't mind letting him have the website, because when it's somebody like that, bro, like, of course, bro. Cause imagine if they were to share it, like, that'd be pretty dope, bro. So I wouldn't mind letting them have it. I've been rambling on for way too long, so let's get started. So basically, that's it. In order to make those example websites, though, I need to know more. So that's why I'm here. Damn, that was a long ass talk. How long have I been recording for? Doesn't tell. Oh yeah, it does tell me. 26 minutes. That's how much I'm about to edit. It's 11, as you guys can see on the corner. It's 11. And I gotta go to sleep by 12:15. So let's get it going. And I do, even though it's short, I always like to do this every day, because normally I practice this for like 45 minutes, but even if I could get like 10 minutes in, which is actually, I'm gonna switch it to 10 minutes because I was talking for too long, instead of 15. I have my little timer too, whatever. So I might only do 1 or 2, but because for me it's consistency. So let's go. Let's do this. Applied visual design, animate elements at variable rates. Okay, so animate them. Okay. So as far as been achieved, animation to illustrate the animation that the film consists of 2 stars that each decrease in size. So we can see that it's kind of like pulsing or whatever, and I think they're the same size right now. Margin tops, it didn't. Stars. I think they're the same size. I don't know, but Twinkle 1, Twinkle 2. Okay. So let's see. What does this challenge want us to do? Want me to do? Alter the animation rate for the element with the class name of star 1 by changing its keyframes rule. Twinkle 1, right? That'd be star 1. Okay, because it's the name. So let's see. Ow. So it's 50%. There we go. What happens if I did 100? So it starts off pretty fast. Gets big really fast and it goes back down really slow. Alright. So that's what that does. 10. And then start off really slow. Alright. Let me go, but what does it want us to be? 50? 50. So let's run it. Boom. Let's do it. Oh, I didn't even start the timer. It starts now. Oh gosh. I hate being in a rush, bro, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta do what you could with what you could. Yeah, exactly. That ain't any sense. You gotta do what you could with what you got. I don't even know that. But y'all get me, right? So you gotta do. Anyways, let's just keep on. Animate multiple elements. Okay, now we have 3 moons or whatever. Similarly animated. You can achieve the same goal. Animation duration. In the animating, sometimes they'll be having some long ass paragraphs, bro. But I know anybody trying to read them like that, so you kind of. What I do, I usually like kind of skim through them because nobody trying to read all that. Because you do be missing some important parts sometimes, so you gotta watch out. Make sure you're reading what you gotta read and stuff like that. To make them twinkle at different rates, property to different values for each element. Set the animation duration of the elements with the classes star 1 and star 2 and star 3. We added the third one. So the first one is going to be 1 second, which is already 1 second. The second one is going to be 0.9, almost a second. Okay, yeah, you can see the difference. And then the last one is a little bit over. It's a little bit over. We can even do like a 1.5 real slow. We can even do 5 seconds. Oh, I was looking at this one. I was like, why is it so fast? But it's this one down here. Okay, I see. It's like really, really slow. But it's gonna be 1.1. That's still good. Which is the regular one? This one. The one that's at 1. Is it this one? It's at the top right. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's the top right. Alright. Alright, so let's run it. Boom, bada bing. Okay, I thought I was only gonna be doing a little bit, but we got 7 minutes left. It's 11:10. Alright, let's keep going. Let's do like 2 more. I might cut it even a little bit shorter because I have other stuff to do that I want to get done today. CSS animations. Also, we got some bouncy balls or whatever. Animation, timing function, property controls, how quickly an animated element changes over the duration of the animation. There is a little bit of a difference, I think. It looks like this one slows a little bit. They reach it at the same time, but this one, looks like this one slows down a little bit faster. And this one slows down like closer to the end. Alright. Okay, so okay, yeah, so you can see right here how the car accelerates and decelerates over the course of the drive. So it's like, so you can kind of tell the difference. Not really, but you just gotta really stare at it. If you stare at it for like a couple minutes and you'll probably start noticing the difference. But oh, I guess it just tells you right here, huh? They have pre-animations. For example, the default value is ease, which starts slow and speeds up in the middle, and then slows down again at the end. You can do ease out, quick at the beginning, slows down, ease in. Which applies to a constant. For the elements with ID of ball 1, let's see. For ball 1, add an animation. Whoops. Timing function property to each. Ball 1 to linear. I'm assuming that's like straight through. Yeah, it's straight through. And they reach it at the same time, it looks like. Although one starts faster. And then ball 2. So same thing, animation. Timing. Function. Ease out, ease out. What does that one do again? It gets real slow towards the end. Is that what it is? Ease out, yeah. It gets real slow, and then so you can see it a little bit more. I think it's right here. So you can see it a little bit more and give it a more of a distance. 6, 7. Looks like an actual race, to be honest. Like just 2 little dots racing. Alright, and then I think I'm changing the. Notice the difference between how the elements move during. Okay. Since they share the same, yeah, so they get that at the same time, it's just different. One's linear, one's the other one. Let's see what the other one looks like. Ease in. Ease in. See, ease. Oh, it slows up. But it speeds up a lot and then slows down a lot. So, okay, ease in. Let's see what that is. Start slow. It reminds me of a muscle car, because I think, I'm not sure, but I think muscle cars start slow but then get faster. but I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. But this one was gonna be easy, so like that. Coding spree, done. I'm gonna end it right here. I'm gonna keep doing these kind of videos. Oh, let me make sure to save them because last time we didn't save them. So let's see, what did we do? Oh, we just got 3 left, so I'll probably do those tomorrow. But I hope you guys are enjoying like the previous videos that I've been doing. You know, I've been doing like skating videos. I actually really enjoy doing those skating videos. I don't know if it's nostalgia because I haven't skated in a while, or it's actually I actually enjoy doing those videos. Well, we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna do them on my days off. You know, on my days off, which is like 3 days a week. I'm gonna do fun videos because, like I said on my Sunday video, I don't want this to be like a pure programming like a website channel. Because personally, I don't like channels like that. That's like pure programming. What you could do, and what some do, is like they open up a vlogging channel. And personally, I don't know. Not right now. Not right now. But you know, later on, you never know what can happen. You can get an editor, and you can pay to get more videos edited and stuff like that. But for now, this is cool. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.